Hello friends, welcome. Friends, today I teach example number 3.8 and 3.9. So first of all, we saw example number 3.8. Our question is, on a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two car B and C approach car A in opposite direction with a speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, both being 1 kilometer, B decide to overtake A before C. Thus, what minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? Friends, first of all, so the figure, look here. Here now we have a car A. It is move in positive x direction and its velocity is Va. It is always in positive x direction. But car B and C both are move in opposite direction, means velocity of car B is in positive x direction and velocity of car C is in negative x direction. Okay, so first of all, velocity of car A means Va is equal to 36 km per hour. So first of all, now we want to convert meter per second. So multiply 1000 and divide by 3600 means we get answer 10 meter per second. Velocity of car B and car C are respectively Vb and Vc, and velocity are same for car B and car C. So its value is also convert in meter per second. So 54 kilometer per hour means 54 multiply 1000 and divide by 3600. You calculate and you will get answer 15 meter per second. Okay, speed of car B with respect to car A means VBA is equal to VB minus VA. VB is equal to 15 meter per second and VA is equal to 10 meter per second. So we get answer 5 meter per second. And car B and car A both are in same direction. But speed of car C with respect to car A. So VCA is equal to VC minus VA according to our formula. But velocity of car A is opposite direction of velocity of car C. So here now we take VA is equal to minus VA. Minus is a sign indicate the direction. So minus minus plus. So 50 plus 10 means 25 meter per second. Okay. And distance between AB and AC is equal to 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So now we want to find out first of all time to reach car A. So DAC is equal to distance is equal to velocity into time. Distance is 1000 is equal to velocity of car C is 25 multiply T. So 1000 divided by 25 means T is equal to 40 seconds. Time is available. So look here, according to equation of motion, D is equal to V0t plus 1 by 2 et square. Instead D we can write down DAB. and instead initial velocity v0 we can write down vba time t as it is plus 1 by 2. Instead a we can write down acceleration of car b vab and t square. So dab is equal to 1000, vba is equal to 5, time t is equal to 40 plus 1 by 2 ab cross 40 square. Here 5 cross 40 means 200. This 200 move left hand side. So 1000 minus 200 means 800. So 800 AB is equal to 800 means AB is equal to 1 meter per second square. Next example 3.9. Our question is, two towns A and B are connected by regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every t minutes. A man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction A to B. Notice that a bus goes past him every 80 minutes in the direction of him motion, and every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. What is the period t of the bus service and with what speed do the bus play on the road? Friends, first of all we assume let v be the speed of the bus running between town A and B, capital V, and speed of the cyclist small v is equal to 20 km per hour. So relative speed of the bus moving in the direction of the cyclist means capital V minus small v. So capital V as it is and value of small v is equal to, we can write down 20. So relative speed of the bus moving in the direction of the cyclist, we can write down v minus 20 km per hour. The bus went past the cyclist every 80 minutes. That means now you want to convert into hour. So 18 upon 60 hour. So distance covered by the bus means velocity into time. So velocity is equal to v minus 20 and time is 18 upon 60. Since one bus leaves after every t minutes, the distance traveled by the bus will be equal to, means velocity into t upon 60. T upon 60 is the time. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side distance are same. So right hand side also same. So we can write down v upon 20 cross 18 upon 60 is equal to vt upon 60. Relative speed of the bus moving in the opposite direction of the cyclist means opposite means now here we take v plus 20 km per hour. So time taken by the bus to go past the cyclist 6 minutes is available in our question. So this minute is converted into hour. So we can write down 6 upon 60 hour. Same way, we can write down here this is a velocity and this is a time. So velocity into time is equal to distance and distance is equal to vt upon 60 available from equation number 2. So we can write down again v plus 20 close bracket 6 upon 60 is equal to vt upon 60. Here 60 are cut. Otherwise equation 3 and 4, both equation right hand side are equal. Look here. Here equation 3 and 4 right hand side are equal. So left hand side are also equal. So we can write down here V plus 20 cross 6 upon 60 is equal to V minus 20 cross 18 upon 60. Both sides 60 are cut here. And 6 3 are 18. So here we get V plus 20 is equal to 3V minus 60, because here 3 are available. So 3 is multiplied V and it is also multiplied with 20. So we get 3V minus 60. This 3V is moved left hand side. So we get minus 3V. V minus 3V is equal to minus 2V. And this 20 is moved right hand side. So minus 16 minus 20 means minus 80. Minus minus sign are cancel. So we get 2V is equal to 80. So V is equal to 40 km per hour. Friends, this value are substituted in this formula. Here instead V, we can write down 40 plus 20 means 60 into 6 upon 60. So 60 cut. So here left hand side now we have only value 6 is equal to 40t upon 60. So friends, we calculate to we get answer t is equal to 9 minutes. Friends, you try it and you solve and you get answer. Thank you.